why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. If you haven't yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. First of all, let's talk about it. I feel like I'm in like a science fair trying to show y'all something, but I am trying to show y'all something, and I'm trying to teach y'all my tips and tricks, and these are the way to get it. If you haven't checked the title yet, you should by now, but the title is How to Get Glass Skin, or 5 Ways to Achieve Glass Skin. This is something that I have struggled with, so I know, and I love skincare. If you are new to my channel, or if you haven't been on here yet, I love skincare. I do everything on this channel first of all, but I do love skincare. If you haven't seen my transformation, I transformed my damn skin. My skin was going through it. About last year, I had very dehydrated skin, and that resulted in my skin breaking the F out. I had crazy textured skin that I've never experienced before. It was worse than my puberty days, and I managed to get my skin back on track and back where it needs to be. And I want to share my tips and tricks with y'all on how I achieved my skin to be where it is today. Now, I will say my skin is not perfect, and my skin, I wouldn't say is glass skin quite yet, but it's definitely come a long way, and for that I applaud myself and am very happy about that. But with that being said, I have 5 tips and tricks to help with your textured skin, help with your acne, and help you get your damn smooth, luscious skin that you've been dreaming of, okay? So these are all my products that I'm here that I'm going to show y'all, and let's just start with number 1. First of all, I should shout out the estheticians that I loved and that have guided my skin to where it is today. That is at Cave of Beauty. I've talked about her so much on my channel. I love her to pieces. Literally, this is the girl that transformed my skin to the fullest. And at LA Beautyologist. These are both on Twitter, both on Instagram. Look them up. I'll put their handles down below and I will put them on the screen as always. But let's start because I'm excited to show y'all. The first number 1 step is toning between steps. I know that sounds crazy. I will put a little guide right here of what I mean. The way your skincare routine goes is you cleanse, tone, exfoliate, tone, mask, tone, serum, tone, moisturizer, and oil. Oil goes last, okay? First of all, your skin needs moisture. Whether you have oily skin, whether you have dry skin, any type of skin, hydration is literally the best thing your skin can have. Take my word for it. I am an oily skin gal, and I used to steer clear of all the hydrations because I was scared of it and thought it'd make my skin more oily. But the thing is, when you add more oil to your skin, it kind of combats it, like more hydration, it kind of combats it. If you're depleting your skin of all these moistures, your skin produces more oil. I'm sure we've all heard that before. So with that being said, this is a toner I use. I use the Rose Waddle Facial Toner. It's the Heritage Store toner. It's a hydration toner with hyaluronic acid. Also, hyaluronic acid is amazing for your skin. Know that. If you see anything with hyaluronic acid, get it. Hyaluronic acid keeps the water into your skin. It is great. It's amazing. Make sure you use it on damp skin. And how you can help with your toners, y'all, I have 2 toners here. This is what I use in the morning, and at night I've been using so far the oil Hendrickson's Glow O2 Dark Spot Treatment Toner. I don't know much about this one yet. I'm still using it. I'm still trying to see results, but I use this in the morning, and I use this between steps all the time. I actually don't really wash my face in the morning anymore. I feel like it's just too much for my skin at this point, so I just tone in the mornings. Every skin is different. We all know this. This is a great toner. It's affordable, and it's so much. Also, a little tip for your toners is you don't have to use cotton pads. They waste a lot of product for you. I use a spray, so I spray it on my skin, and I put my product spray, and then at nighttime with this one, since I don't have a spray bottle for it, I just put it in my hands and I dab it all over my skin. It saves you product, but if you want to, go ahead and use your cotton pad. It's really up to you, but I'm telling you, you save a lot of product that way. Hydration is the key if you want glass skin. Take my word for it, I swear. I'm also coming to you with like no makeup on, because I hear people do skincare routines with like a full blasted face of makeup. We're not doing that here. I just don't think you get the same results, authenticity, realism, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is great. Tone between steps, try it out, tell me how it goes. It changed my skin, I'm not even kidding. When I started hydrating between steps, my skin grew from within, and my skin just loves me for it, and it helps with my acne so much. I think it's important to also note that contrary to most people's beliefs, you don't have to wait. I used to think this too. You don't have to wait a certain time to apply your products. Your products actually apply better on damp skin. So as soon as you tone, throw your products on. As soon as you cleanse, throw your products on. The reason why it works better is because products penetrate better. Remember this from this video. Products penetrate better on damp skin. So that's why you don't have to wait a certain time. I'm telling you, your products will work better. So you want your skin damp when you're applying those products because your skin will suck it up more. Number 2 is my all-time favorite. When I tell you this is what saved my skin, this is what saved my skin. I talk about this in every single skincare video because I love it. My all-time fave, we all know this is my fave. If you're on my channel, you know this is my fave. Occlusives. They are literally my favorite thing. They are what I think is the #1 thing that made my acne go away and what cleared my skin, and we're gonna get to it. So what an occlusive is the last thing in your routine. It's a sealant, so it's gonna lock your whole routine into place, I'm telling you. So my occlusive that I use, that you guys can use, and I'm sure you all have in your house, is Vaseline, okay? When I tell you this changed my skin, I am not kidding. This is like $2. What you do is after you're done doing your whole routine, you put this at the end and it locks. This is only for night, by the way. In the morning you use an oil, and the oil I've been using is like a rosehip oil because it's really good with acne scarring, and I still got some scar to get gone, you know what I mean? In the morning you use an oil, something light, but at nighttime when you go to bed you use something heavier, and I use Vaseline. It's cheap, it's easy, it's affordable, it's literally what saved my skin. I'm not even kidding. The first time I used an occlusive, literally the next day I saw all my acne come to the surface, and it was beautiful. To clear skin, get yourself an occlusive, y'all. I'm telling you, it will change the game for your skin. I'm telling you. But just try it for a week and see how it goes, because this was the game changer of my skin. This alone is what I feel cleared my acne. I swear by this. I always go to bed with an occlusive. I just love them so much, and they are what saved my skin. So a tip to glass skin, y'all: get an occlusive. And that's just a cheap one. The one that like my favorite esthetician recommends is the CeraVe healing ointment, or in Canada we have like the baby healing ointment, something like that. But I haven't tried that yet, but I know that's amazing because it has ceramides in it. But for me, what I've been using right now and I'm finishing up with is Vaseline. It's cheap, it works, it's amazing. Try it, please. If you're taking anything from this video, try and include it. Number 3 is something we all have, the free tip that we all got at home, and it's our fingers. This is something that I learned and I didn't really believe. You do not need all those harsh brushes, those silicone brushes, those Clarisonic brushes that you spend $200 on. This is free. Just use your fingers, y'all. I'm telling you, it's that easy. So the fingertip rule is that honestly, your fingers work better than all these brushes, and you don't need all these harsh, abrasive brushes on your skin. They're not needed, and they just honestly transfer a lot of bacteria. If you're going to use a brush, at least use a silicone brush and wash them after every use. But you really just need your fingers, like tips of your fingers, y'all. That's all you really need. Isn't that crazy? And along with the fingers is the 1-minute rule. You should be washing your face for 1 minute with your fingers. Washing for 1 minute and your fingers alone are going to help dissolve sebum, blockage, and texture, and overall evenness. Like I'm telling you guys, your fingers are your best friends. Throw away those brushes, use your fingers for a bit, your skin will glow. I promise, I literally promise you, your fingers are all you need. It's that simple. Sometimes skincare is really that simple, and we all know sometimes less is more. And throw away the brushes and try your fingers for once. I know they seem like they don't do the job, but they really do, and they're really all you need. Just 1 minute on the skin with your fingers and your skin will improve. If you haven't looked up the 1-minute rule, look it up. It's by at LA Beautyologist. Look her up. She talks in depth on it. I'll actually put a video about it down below, and you hear a lot of informative information about it and why it helps so much. On minimum, people wash their face for about 15 seconds. Wash your face for about a minute, girl. It'll really help get all that dirt and nastiness out your face, okay? Give your skin the TLC it needs at the end of the night and in the morning. It's just 1 minute. Number 4, this is one that I'm sure we all know about, and if not, I'm here to tell you. It's weekly exfoliation, at least once a week or twice if your skin can handle it. I like exfoliating Mondays and Fridays 2 times a week because my skin can handle it. And the exfoliator I'm using right now it's the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. It gently refines and softens. This smells like heaven. It literally smells so good. I recommend chemical exfoliators. You can use physical ones. This is a physical one, but it dissolves with the water and massaging into the face, which I really like. So they're very, 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 very itty bitty beads. I mean, it's a sugar scrub that dissolves with water, and when all the little beads dissolve, that's when you rinse. So I've been using this and I don't mind it. I think it's pretty cool. But my favorite, we all know, the cheapest, the greatest mask out there that I like, the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% mask, that red blood mask. I love that mask. I think it's great. The only thing is, like, I have to order it online to get it, which kind of gets annoying. But I've used that mask for many, many, many years before it got hyped up, before it got mainstream. I've been using that mask and I love that mask. It's great. Doesn't go wrong. It's a 10-minute mask. I start with 1 a week and see how it goes. If you have sensitive skin, maybe even less than once a week. Just see how it goes for your skin. Examine your skin and get to know your skin. It's a part of your body, girl, so get to know it, get familiar with it. That's the one chemical exfoliator that I love and that I know is affordable and easy to access. So exfoliating weekly is another way to get rid of all that dead skin and help really bring a new leaf of skin and like exfoliate all that nastiness, and it really helps your skin glow and it helps reduce texture. There's so many benefits to exfoliating that I'm sure we all know by now, but exfoliating is a great way to get your glass skin you've been reaching for, sis, okay? And lastly, this is something I love. I haven't been doing it lately because my skin has not been breaking out, but this is for my sisters that got acne and that need something to help reduce their acne. This is really as simple as this. Icing your face, okay? So let me teach you about icing. Icing your face helps reduce inflammation, and it's helped a lot for me. Like, when I say it helps reduce inflammation, I'm for reals with it. It really does help with that, and it helped me a lot. But the way you're going to be doing it, I'm teaching you the safest way so you don't burn your skin. Do not put direct ice on your face. What you do is you're going to be putting an ice cube in a plastic bag or a paper towel. Plastic bag is the easiest, less mess, and it's just the easiest for you. And you place it on the areas that you have inflammation for 10 seconds, no longer than 10 seconds. 10 seconds, and then move on to a new spot. If you want to go back to that spot, you can, but 10 seconds, more than 10 seconds results to maybe burning your skin. Icing is kind of like icing your knee. I learned this again from Cave of Beauty. Love her. Say I freaking sprained my ankle and the doctor recommends you ice your knee and it helps inflammation. Works the same way with acne. I'm telling you this now. Whenever I have acne, icing is really like one of the best things. It's one of the things that really does reduce acne and inflammation in your skin. So if you have inflammation, if you have acne, I recommend trying this out. Every night you can just ice your face a little bit. Remember, 10 seconds only at each spot. Longer can result to burning your skin, and we don't want to do that, sis. We don't want to burn our skin. We want glowing glass skin, okay? You can reuse the same bag, but make sure you're cleaning it because bacteria, and also where you're probably wondering where you fit this in your routine. You fit it in after cleansing. So it goes cleansing and then icing. Then you follow up with the rest of your routine. You want to clean, bare slate to do the icing on. That is the best and perfect time of when you start icing your skin. Try it out and tell me how it goes. And with reduced inflammation is a step closer to glass skin. Am I right? But that is the end of this video. Those are 5 tips on how to get glowing glass skin. I hope these help you. They have helped me. All the tips I've mentioned in here I have used, and they've helped me so much, and I want the same for you guys. If you have any questions down below about skin, let me know. I will answer to the best of my ability. Try to see a dermatologist, try to see an esthetician, And the best part when it comes to clearing your skin and getting your skin right is to make sure you find the root of the issue. Once you find the root of the issue, that's how you can really tackle your skin. You can do anything, but if you don't know the root of your issue, you're always gonna have problems. My oily skin gal, stop running away from hydration. It's the best thing for your skin. I promise you, the more hydration you add to your skin, the less oily your skin will look. I promise you, take it from me. My skin used to drip oil, okay? Thanks, mama, for that gene. Yeah, mom, I'm looking at you. Thank you for that, gene. We've come to the end of this video. This is the end of the video where I just ramble. If you're watching this, Vlogmas should be going on right now, and tomorrow we start. I'm scared. The marathon begins tomorrow. So this video is not, I'm not gonna see you guys Friday. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas. Ah! Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.